Hello students, now I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 6.5. Now question number 1 says PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. So right angle means 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle, and since 90 degree is here, so we will have to place P over here. Okay, now if PQ is 10 cm and PR is 24 cm, find QR. Now we can place Q or R anywhere, here also, anywhere we can place, but we will have to place P over here only, because it is said that according to the question 90 degree at P point. So here is 90 degrees, so P point should be here. Okay, suppose this is Q and this is R. Now PQ is 10 centimeter and PR is 24 centimeter according to the question. We will have to find QR. We will have to find the length of QR. Now since this is right angle triangle, and if the triangle is right angle triangle, then we apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay? And according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse means longest side. See here, this is 90 degree and the side opposite to 90 degree is the longest side. Okay, and the longest side is known as hypotenuse. Okay. Now this hypotenuse has a relation with this other two sides. Okay. Now what is that? It's hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. So this is only true in the case of right angle triangle. Okay, so if the triangle is right angle triangle, then hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the square of the other two side. Okay, means this side and this side. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. Okay, so the length of this is say B, this is C, and this is A. Now this is hypotenuse, right? Now this Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square, that means C square, here length of hypotenuse is C, so C square is the sum of, is equals to the sum of the square of other two. Other two means other two side is A and B, so square of A is A square and square of B is B square, so it will be the sum of squares of these sides. Okay, C square is equals to A square plus B square according to Pythagoras theorem. Now according to this question, we have to find the hypotenuse, which is not given. RQ is the hypotenuse and the length of other two sides is given. So we'll write by Pythagoras theorem. To Pythagoras theorem, the length of the longest side, length of the square of the longest side, which is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square will be equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides, right? Now according to the figure, longest side is hypotenuse is QR. So QR square is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. So these PR and PQ are the other two sides, so we'll have to take the square of these two. So PR square plus PQ square. Okay, so according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to the square of the sum of the square of the other two sides. Now the length of QR we don't know, so it will remain same. and the length of PR is 24 centimeter. So it's 24 square plus length of PQ is 10. So it's 10 square. Now QR square is equals to 24 square means 24 into 24 and 10 square means 10 into 10, right? Since the power is 2, so we'll write the base twice. Now 24 into 24, how much? 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, then 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 6, 9 plus 8 is 17, 7, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. So it's 576. So QR square is equals to 576 plus 10 into 10 is 100. Now we will add this to get QR square. So QR square equal to 576 plus 100. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 5 plus 1 is 6. So it's 676. Now the value of QR square is 676, but we need to find the value of QR, not QR square. So for finding the value of QR, we need to find the prime factors of 676. Okay. Now we'll take 2 at first. At last digit is 6. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Then again it will go by 2. 2 16s are 32, 2 9s are 18. Now 13 13s are 169. Now 13 1s are 13. Okay. So QR square is equals to, in place of 676 we can write this 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. Okay. Now QR square means QR into QR, and we will write the same thing on the right, which is 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. Now from the pair we will take 1. So from 2 QR we will take 1. So it's QR. Now here also we have the pair of 2 and 13. So from the pair we'll take 1. From this pair we'll take 1. Okay. So the value of QR will be 2 into 13 is 26. Okay. So since you all have not done square and square root, so I showed you the easier way to find the value of QR. Okay. Now we have got the result. Here question was find QR. So we have got the length of QR. So we'll write the length of QR is 26 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to next question. Now question number 2 says ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. So this is 90 degree. So point C will be placed here. Okay. Now AB is 25 centimeter and the length of AC is 7 centimeter. Find the length of BC. Now we can place anywhere. Here also we can place A and B anywhere. Here also we can place B. Here also we can place B. Okay. So let us place A here and B here. Okay. Now the length of AB is 25 centimeters. So the length of this AB is 25 centimeter and the length of AC means this one. The length of AC is 7 centimeter. We will have to find the length of BC. Okay. Now as this is right angle triangle, so here again we will apply Pythagoras theorem, and according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse means the longest side. So this is the longest side, means AB is the longest side here, which is hypotenuse. So square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. Other two sides are AC and BC. Okay, so we'll write by Pythagoras theorem Your hypotenuse is AB, so we'll write hypotenuse square means AB square is equals to the square of the sum of the other two sides. So other two sides are AC, so it's AC square plus BC square. Okay, now the length of AB is given, which is 25, so in place of AB we'll put 25 square. Length of AC is 7 centimeters, so in place of AC we'll put 7, and BC we don't know, so it will remain same. Okay, now 25 square means 25 into 25, and 7 square means 7 into 7 plus BC square. Now 25 into 25, how much? 5 5s are 25, 5 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, and 5 2s are 10, 0 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, this 5 2 5 plus 1 6, so is 625 is equals to 7 7s are 49 plus BC square. Okay, since we are finding the value of BC, so BC should be alone, so we'll take 49 to the left, so plus 49 will be minus 49. Okay, is equals to BC square. So let us subtract these two. So 15 minus 9 is 6, 2 will be 1, so 11 minus 4 is 7, so 6 will be 5, so it will be 576. So BC square will be 576. Now we will have to find the value of BC. So square of BC is given, square of BC we have got 576. So to get the value of BC, we need to find the prime factors of 576. Now as 6 is at last one's place, so it will go by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Again it will be divisible by 2 as 8 is there at one's place. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again it will go by 2. 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Okay, now so BC square is equals to whatever prime numbers we have got in place of 576, we will have to write. So how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiplied by 3 into 3. Okay, now BC square means BC into BC, right, is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There are 6 2's. Okay, multiplied by 3 into 3. Now from the pair we'll take 1, so we'll take 1 BC. Now here also from the pair we'll take 1, so from 2 2 we'll take 1, from 2 2 we'll take 1 2, from 2 2 we'll take 1 2, and from 2 3 we'll take 1 3. So the value of BC, the length of BC will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay. The question was find BC. So we have got the value of BC. So we'll write, therefore the length of BC is 24 centimeter. Okay. So what we have observed that if you have to find the length of any side of a right angle triangle, then we will apply Pythagoras theorem to find the length of any side. Okay, so this was about question number 1 and 2. Thank you, students.